Hey everybody, this is Michael with GrassFlap. I got something really exciting I want to show you guys. What I've got over here is a Toro TimeCutter, and this is a complete no drill grass flap system for it. Now, what's special about this, if you notice on the decks of the TimeCutters, they have a cutout at the top, and that's for the power vacuum, which poses a challenge for putting a grass flap on here, or any kind of OCDC for that matter. We came up with a solution for that, and that's this steel plate. So this steel plate, it uses your existing holes on the TimeCutters, and now this plate will also work for the 42, the 50, the 54, and the 60-inch lineup. It's only 4 bolts to mount. It's cable driven, just like our traditional grass flaps. The cable routing is fairly simple. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It goes right underneath the deck here. We just have one zip tie here to keep it above the spindles. And then we come underneath this frame arm right here out to the right side. The pedal that we're using today is a 5L pedal. It uses two bolts for existing holes on the foot pan. So again, no drilling on this. Actuation on this is just like our standard grass flaps, so fully open with your foot off the pedal, or fully closed with your foot off the pedal. And you can also do a partial if you want to just leave your foot on there to kind of feather and blow clippings at your own rate. We're really excited about this. It's available on our website today. So if you guys want, just give us a call or leave a comment on this post or email us, whatever you need to do. As always, keep on flapping.